with DawnDuskDesigns. I know Easter's right around the corner and a lot of us are in quarantine right now, so I figured I'd come up with some easy DIY centerpieces in case you have some of these supplies at home. And this is what they look like. So I just used some really cool items. And if you want to learn how to make these, then I really hope that you'll stay tuned and continue watching the rest of this video, okay? You will need vases, colored Easter grass, an empty roll of toilet paper, beeps, marshmallow candy, jelly beans, assortment of flowers. Okay, so I removed all the jelly beans from the bag, and I'm gonna put this empty roll of toilet paper in this vase, and I'm gonna start to fill this in with the jelly beans. Just like so that it looks like that. We're going to use some of this grass and put a little bit around so that we can stick the artificial flowers inside. Just like this. And just tuck it in. This is what it looks like. Look how pretty. So for this one, I'm gonna insert the roll of empty toilet paper. And I'm gonna cut these. So this is what we have so far. Use these little guys. Put them here. This is what it looks like so far. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this colored Easter grass on top and completely fill it in. Because these are bendable, I'm gonna bend the stem just like so. Did you see how that's turning out? But I still see some empty spots in here, so I'm gonna put some more of this grass inside. So this is what the second centerpiece looks like. As you can see, it was such an easy process and I really enjoyed how it came out. Today's Spanish word of the day is Dia de Pascua, which is Easter. Once again, Dia de Pascua. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Today's Spanish word of the day. Why can't I speak? Why is this so awkward? Alright.